Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Nurafix Nano Scratch Remover for a flawless car. So as you can see, this is a spray, which is you spray for your car, and it removes tiny scratches like hairlines and a lot more. So as you can see, they have advanced nanotechnology, which is a pretty big claim, since nanotechnology isn't that possible yet. Hydrophobic coating, quick application, corrosion resistance. So as you can see, it is suitable for paint, metal surfaces, windows, and headlights. And as you can see right here, these images are, as you can see like this one, this image is very AI generated. Also this one, and I don't know with these two, but this one looks pretty AI generated. So as you can see right here, you just wash your car, spray Nurafix, and then polish with a sponge. So if you're wondering if this coat or this spray is legit, let's head on over here to Trustpilot and see the reviews. And they are rated 2.0 out of 5 stars, which is poor. So as you can see, let's read some reviews here. It's a scam like water, don't do anything to the car. What a bloody big scam. Pure scam, don't touch. Absolute waste of money. Hard to even give 1-star review. Absolute rubbish, scam. So please avoid buying this product since, as you can see right off the bat, they claim to have advanced nanotechnology, which is a very bold claim and is very much really a red flag for something like this, since how can you incorporate nanotechnology inside a spray bottle? And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.